Host, hey crypto crew. Let's talk trust. In the wild west of cryptocurrency exchanges, where hacks seem like a weekly occurrence, finding a platform you can believe in is crucial. Today, we're putting Gemini under the microscope. Is it the Fort Knox of crypto, or just another vault waiting to be plundered? Building trust, regulations, and reputation. Before we dive into Gemini's security measures, let's talk about the first line of defense, trust. Gemini boasts a badge of honor many exchanges can't claim. It's a licensed exchange by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYSDFS. That's a big deal. The NYSDFS is known for its strict regulations, meaning Gemini has to play by the rules. This translates to regular audits, secure storage requirements for user funds, and a layer of consumer protection you just don't get with fly-by-night operations. But regulations are just one piece of the puzzle. Reputation matters too. Gemini has a clean record, having never been hacked in its history. That's a confidence booster, especially when you compare it to some of the high-profile breaches that have plagued the industry. Security arsenal, protecting your crypto. So, how does Gemini keep your crypto safe? Let's get technical. Gemini stores the vast majority of user funds in offline, cold storage. That means it's not connected to the internet, significantly reducing the risk of hackers infiltrating the system. It's like a digital vault hidden deep underground, far from prying eyes. But security goes beyond cold storage. Gemini utilizes two-factor authentication, 2FA, as an extra layer of protection for your account. Think of it as a double lock on your digital door. Even if someone gets your password, they'll still need that additional code to gain access. And for the truly security conscious, Gemini offers features like whitelisting withdrawal addresses. This allows you to designate specific addresses where your crypto can be sent, preventing unauthorized withdrawals. It's like creating a safe list for your crypto, ensuring it only goes where you want it to. Transparency matters, audits and security reports. Security isn't just about fancy tools, it's also about transparency. Gemini undergoes regular security audits by independent third-party firms. These audits are like financial checkups, ensuring Gemini's security measures are up to snuff. The results of these audits are often made public, giving users valuable insight into how secure their assets are. Beyond the basics, insurance and user education. Security isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Gemini recognizes this and offers additional layers of protection. For instance, a portion of user assets are held in a custodian account with a reputable insurance company. This means that even in the unlikely event of a breach, there's a safety net to recover your losses. But security isn't just about what the exchange does. User education plays a vital role too. Gemini offers a wealth of resources to help users stay safe, from best practices around password management to recognizing and avoiding phishing scams. An informed user is a less vulnerable user, and Gemini understands that. The flip side, weighing the drawbacks. No security system is perfect, and Gemini is no exception. Some users criticize the platform for its limited number of supported cryptocurrencies. While Gemini offers major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it doesn't have the vast selection of some competitors. Another point to consider is fees. Gemini's fees can be higher than some other exchanges. This can be a turnoff for high-volume traders or those looking for the absolute lowest costs. The verdict, trustworthy guardian or overpriced cage? So, is Gemini trustworthy? The answer, like most things in crypto, is it depends. If you prioritize security and regulation above all else, Gemini is a strong contender. Its focus on user safety, combined with its clean record and regulatory oversight, makes it a reliable option. However, if you're a cost-conscious trader looking for a wider variety of cryptocurrencies, there might be better platforms out there. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and priorities. Outro. Upbeat outro music plays. Host, we hope this breakdown helped you decide if Gemini is the right crypto guardian for you. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of crypto, staying informed is key. Before you dive in, do your research and choose a platform you trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.